How's it going? Conor here from Train Like a Warrior, and on today's video I'm going to be showcasing how you can perform one of the most advanced push-up variations, the behind the back clap push-up. Now this is took from the Train Like a Warrior transformation program and app, in which I'm able to work personally alongside with you to help you get into the best shape and the best health of your life and master your body weight. Before we get into the video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you never miss any of these upcoming videos, and let's get it. Step 1, once it comes to mastering the behind the back clap push-up, I want you to perform 20 push-ups in a row, okay? 20 normal push-up variations. Whenever you can master 20 push-ups like so, then you'll be fit to move on to the next stage. So I want you to push out 20 reps. Chest comes down, touches the ground, full extension, good form, always looking front. Moving on to step number 2, whenever you can perform 20 solid push-ups, I want you to then move on to 5 explosive push-ups off the ground. So what you want to do is to get into your normal push-up position, come down, chest touches the ground, and explode up as high as you can. Okay, hands coming off the ground. Throw as much power and force into it as you can. 3, 4, 5. Okay, if only you can get slightly off the ground like so, that doesn't matter, as long as you can explode up, bringing those hands off the ground for 5 solid reps, and do that around 3 to 4 times. Moving on to step number 3, I want you to perform 8 to 10 clap push-ups, okay? So back into your normal push-up position, only this time you're bringing your hands together for that explosive clap for 8 to 10 reps. Coming down, chest touches the ground, explode. So whenever you can perform a few sets of 10 explosive reps, you're ready for the next step. Moving on to the next step, I want you to place your hands up against the wall, and I want you to perform some explosive behind the back claps, like so. This is going to work on your flexibility and your explosive power. I want you to perform around 10 to 15 of these for about 3 sets. Moving on to the next step, after you complete your explosive wall push-ups, I want you to lower the elevation, okay? So for example, I have this box, but this could be performed on anything to add that wee bit of elevation. Coming down and exploding back out like so. Focus on as much force and power coming off the box as possible, and I want you to perform around 10 solid reps for 3 sets. Again, I have an even lower elevation to keep on practicing this explosive clap motion. Coming down, exploding back off. Same thing, 8 to 10 reps. So we're near the final step. We have the elevation even lower. This is therefore going to make the movement a lot more difficult, but if you can master these, you're very close to mastering the perfect rep of the behind the back clap push-up. Coming down and explode. I want you to focus on 6 to 8 solid reps. Now you've made it to the final step, which is the explosive clap push-up. You should be ready to perform a few reps of one of the most advanced push-up variations. So team, there is a step-by-step guide on how you can perform one of the most advanced push-up variations, the behind the back clap push-up. Now remember, as this is a very difficult movement, take your time, go through each step and learn how to master each step, and you'll be well on your way to perform the behind the back clap push-up. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more exercise demonstrations just like this, please be sure to leave this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you never miss any of these upcoming videos. And if you really want to push yourself to the limit and work personally alongside with me, click the link below and become a Train Like a Warrior member of the day. But once again, thank you so much for checking out the video, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.